Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and I'm going to talk to you about how to install toilet shims. For this, we're going to be using some plastic shims. I like these plastic shims because they won't rot out and you can stack them on top of each other, and since they're grooved, they won't slip on you. The first thing you want to do is place them at the base of your toilet. Make sure that when you're putting the shims at the base of the toilet, you aren't lifting the toilet too high and separating the wax ring that's your seal to keep the water from flowing out. So you put them fairly close together here on the side that needs to be lifted, and you're going to simply press them in. I don't like taking a hammer or a mallet and knocking these in because it might lift it too high. So you're just going to do it as high as it's needed. And there you have it. And if you want to clean it up a little bit, you can take a razor blade and cut these plastic shims and then take a bead of caulk and put it along the base. That'll just make it look a little bit nicer. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to shim your toilet. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your next project.